Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we will be comparing two air fryer products that have been making quite a buzz lately. The Gotham Steel Air Fryer Tray and the Secura Air Fryer. Be sure to watch till the end to find out which product comes out on top. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe buttons below. When it comes to cooking capacity, the Secura Air Fryer takes the lead with its large 5.3-quart basket. You can easily cook a meal for your whole family in one go. Gotham's Steel Air Fryer Tray, on the other hand, is perfect for personal-sized meals or snacks with a smaller basket size. While both products offer various cooking options, the Secura Air Fryer takes the cake with its all-in-one convenience. You can use it to fry, roast, bake, reheat, or even grill. Gotham's Steel Air Fryer Tray is more limited in its usage, but it can also be used for the same cooking options when used with an oven. Both the products employ convection technology for even cooking. Gotham's Steel Air Fryer Tray's aluminum composition with mesh basket allows the convection heat to reach all areas of the food, whereas the Secura Air Fryer's convection technology uses rapidly circulating heated air for fast and even frying with little to no oil. When it comes to price, the Gotham Steel Air Fryer Tray comes in at a more affordable price point of $29. However, the Secura Air Fryer's larger cooking basket and all-in-one convenience justifies its slightly higher price of $56. But if you're on a budget, the Gotham Steel Air Fryer Tray is definitely a great option. Both products offer hassle-free cleaning. The Gotham Steel Air Fryer Tray is dishwasher safe, whereas the Secura Air Fryer basket and pan are removable and non-stick as well, so you can easily clean them with some soap and water. And that brings us to the end of our comparison video. We hope we were able to help you make an informed decision on which air fryer to choose. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe buttons. Until next time, bye.